Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to cross-play Red Dead Redemption online between Xbox and PS4 or PS5. And this explanation is very important. At the moment, Red Dead Online does not support crossplay between Xbox and PlayStation platforms. This means Xbox players cannot join online sessions, missions, or free roam with PS4 or PS5 players. Rockstar Games has intentionally separated Red Dead Online servers by platform. Xbox users can only play with other Xbox players, while PlayStation users can only play with PlayStation players. Linking Rockstar Social Club accounts does not unlock cross-platform gameplay. There is no in-game setting, official feature, or legitimate workaround to enable this. Any videos claiming crossplay is possible are incorrect. To play together, everyone must use the same console platform. Until Rockstar officially adds crossplay support, Xbox and PlayStation players remain completely separate in Red Dead Online. Subscribe the channel for more videos.